Hello, I just want to clear something up about Google Pagespeed Insights. Speed is incredibly important to SEO, and so Google give us this tool to try and help us speed things up. But there's a few problems with it. For example, this is my test site, one of my test sites called Making Music, and it bips along fairly well. You know, there's no trouble with it. It's all set up pretty nicely. We don't have any trouble. It ranks nicely for quite a few things. But if I test it in the Google Pagespeed Insights tool, it stinks. Look at that, 14 for mobile, 53 for, it's not great. And to be honest, I really need to speed it up, but it's a test site, so it's not a massive priority to me. But if we have a look at what's slowing it down, don't worry, I'm not going to get too technical. One of the things slowing it down is JavaScript problems. In fact, that's the biggest thing slowing it down. So pesky JavaScript, let's see what we can do to fix that. What's actually causing it? Well, that one's part of Facebook, so I can't do much about that. This bit of JavaScript's from Google. 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 This bit of blah, 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 blah. You get the idea? It's being slowed down to a certain extent by Google stuff. It just goes on and on, really. So, PageSpeed Insights isn't a report on how fast your website actually is. It's a report based on fairly black and white data to give you an idea of room for improvement, kind of. It's kind of black and white like Yoast is. Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress will give you suggestions, but it's not the be all and end all. Kind of, you can always beat. You'll always do better with a bit of prior knowledge, I think is what I'm saying. So one of the tools I use is GTmetrix. So if we have a look at the result for Making Music GTmetrix, you see it's fine. It's absolutely fine. So I guess one question would be, should I try and improve the Google PageSpeed Insights result? Yeah, probably should. But there's an awful lot of this stuff that's out of my hands. There's things we can't do there. So if your PageSpeed Insights score stinks, you should probably fix it, but just have a look at gtmetrix.com and try and get a clearer idea. I mean, there's more information here. Look, so what JavaScript errors have I got here? Errors. What things are slowing it down? Hey, look, it's all Google stuff again. So there you go. Google wants you to be faster, but it's the Google stuff that sometimes slows you down. It's just the way it is. Anyway, I hope this is helpful. If you'd like to make a video about something, please let me know. Other than that, please go have a look at andrewlaws.com, subscribe to the podcast. It's full of interesting things like this. There you go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.